Hi, Lauri here from Operating. Let's take a look at how HubSpot integration can help you use Operating better. So Operating is all about planning upcoming work, managing the capacity of an agency or consulting business. By connecting it to HubSpot, we allow you to automatically pull in stuff from your sales pipeline so you can plan those tentative deals and allocations to build a capacity forecast and to have the right people working on the right cases when you actually win those deals. So, as an example, here in Operating, we gather all the unconfirmed work here to this view called Horizon. You see a very similar view than in your CRM, these pipeline stages here. So one row represents a deal that is ongoing, either completely new or existing allocations, existing projects and new allocations to them. So we can refresh HubSpot. Nothing happens now. So let's go in the pipeline. And this is now a HubSpot pipeline, very familiar to you. We're interested in this mobile app case here. So let's move that to negotiation. So we're now quite close to winning that, hopefully. Let's refresh the connection again. And we see that Walmart case, the mobile app, appear here. Quite nice. Okay, when we open up the case, there's a link to the HubSpot deal. If we press edit, we can see that we've actually linked the project name all the way from HubSpot. We can also do the same with the project owner. Now we can add roles. So this is when we built the preliminary team setup. So this is something you might do when you're wanting to communicate with the team. What are the needs? So when the next staffing meeting comes, they can find the right people for the role. So let's add a developer, a designer, like that. And that's maybe all that we need for a mobile app case. Great. Now you see the added information here. We can go on to scheduling the work for the project. So that's what we do here in the staffing timeline. So here you have all your projects and people and their availabilities in your agency. You can sort the left-hand page, the timeline, by pipeline stage. So here you see again the same pipeline replicated from your HubSpot. Negotiation, proposal sent, and here's the mobile app case. If we were to find a mobile developer for the project, we could go here on the right, filter for all the mobile developers and get their availabilities. We immediately see that Jaden would probably be a quite good fit for the project. How the integration actually works is that you can, let's go here under integrations. We mapped our HubSpot pipeline, an agency sales pipeline to Operating, and then you can choose at which pipeline stage do you want the deals to be moved to Operating. So you don't maybe want to plan all those first meetings that you have with customers, but when the time is right to start planning the people, the workloads for the projects, then it might be the right time to send them to Operating. So simply choose the right deal stages. In reports, you can then get a nice view to your future. You can use the HubSpot pipeline probabilities when you predict the tentative work. So, because you're not going to win everything, so you might want to sort of account for uncertainty there. But here you see a nice summary of your future workload for the whole company and also per competence, per team or group location, per individual people. You can nicely see all the capacity of all your CRM people. We only have Carly here. But that's in essence how Operating works and how it's tied together to HubSpot.